Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be solving Cambridge A-Level Information Technology Paper 4 for the year October-November 2019. I'll be solving the database task. All the other tasks have been solved and uploaded. You can find the link in the description. So the database task is task 6. Create a database named Villa Bookings using the following files. So these files are given to you. I have copied the files here. All the files for the paper are copied here. Now you can see we need to create a database named Villa Bookings. So let us open Access. Open a blank database. Save inside your folder. The name should be Villa Bookings. Click on Create. So let us import these tables one by one. Customers.txt, Villas CSV, Bookings 2017, Bookings 2018, and Bookings 2019. So external data, text file, Bookings 17, give OK. Click on Next. First row contains field names. So this is about the bookings made by each customer in the year 2017. Choose the primary key. The primary key will be customer ID. Check the data type. Dates must be date with time. Give OK. Same way, let us import all the files for the booking. Next file is customers file. Click Next. So you can see this is the customers file. These are the details about the customer. First row contains field names. So here the customer ID will be the primary key. And when you go through the data, you can see all of the data are text except birthday and CC expires must be date format. All others will be text. Next. Choose primary key. Customer ID will be the primary key. Click on Advanced. Set the data type. So birthday is date with time and CC expires is date with time. CC number, you can see it's a long number which has to be set as text. So let us set CC number as text. Otherwise there will be import errors. So this is the custom table. Now import villas. These are the details about the villa. Villa ID, villa name and region. The primary key is villa ID. Click on advanced, check the data types, give OK. Now all the tables are imported. Make sure all the data types are appropriate. We had checked that. All characters in the zip code field in the customers table must be uppercase. So if you take customers table, you can see the zip code. This is in lowercase. We have to convert this to uppercase. So go to the design view, select zip code, and in format we have to give greater than symbol. This represents that all the characters must be uppercase. Now you can save, open and see. You can see the zip code has been converted to uppercase. Same way, the email field in the customers table must be lowercase. So select email. In the format, you have to give the less than symbol, which represents the lowercase. Now save this. You open customers table. You can see this is the lowercase and zip code is in uppercase. So save. You can close this. Now let us create the relationships. Go to database tools, relationships, add all the tables. We can create a relation between customer ID in customers with bookings in all these 3 years, and also from villas, the villa ID can be related to the villa IDs in these 3 years. So let us arrange it in this way. Customer ID to customer ID. This is a one-to-one relationship. Same way, from all the tables, we need to create a one-to-one relationship between customer ID. And now villa ID and villa ID in this bookings 2017. This will be a one-to-many relationship. Same way, two more one-to-many relationship has to be created. Create. So this is the relationship. Now save and you can close this. Next, we need to create a report named regulars to display the customers who have made bookings in all the 3 years. The report must be in portrait and sorted into ascending order of surname. The report title and labels must look like this. So if you look at the report, you can see it shows the customer ID here, given name, surname, then the villa names in all the 3 years, 2017, 2018 and 2019. So in this report, we need all the customers details who has booked in all 3 years. The villas which they have booked in all these 3 years has to be displayed here. So let us create a query. Create query design, add all the tables. Now we need the villa names. For villa names has to be displayed in all the 3 years. But now you can see the villa ID is related. This villas table is related to all tables, and a villa name can be shown only for one table at once. So we need to add villas table, two more villas table. So I will add two more villas table, show table, villas, add. So once more we have added. There are two tables for villas. Let us move this here. Now we need to relate villa ID. We have 3 tables for villas and we need to relate villa ID of each one to each of the bookings table. Let this remain villa ID to booking 2017. Let this be there. But these two relations from 2018 and 2019, let us remove and then we will relate to these 2 tables. Then only we will get all the customer names and all the villa names for each customer who has booked all the 3 years. So let us remove this. I'm just deleting this one and this relation. So the relation from villas to bookings 18 and bookings 19 have been removed and we are going to create new relations to these 2 duplicated villas table. So I will click on villas ID to villa ID, again villa ID to villa ID. So now everything is set. Now we will get villa names, corresponding villa names for each year. So let us see what all details we need. We need customer ID, given name, surname, then villa name for 2017, 2018 and 2019. So let us add customer ID, given name, surname. And now we need the villa name for each year. So villa name for 2017, name for 2018 and again the name for 2019. So these are the required details. Let us run the query. You will get like this. You need 90 records. So these are the required data. So let us save this regulars query. So give OK. So this is the required query. Now let us make the report from this. Create report wizard. Make sure query is selected. We need all the fields. Next. Next. No grouping, just we have to show the data. The sorting I'll be doing from the report, otherwise it will change the order. It must be portrait. Click next. Now we'll give the name as regulars because they asked you to create the report as regulars. Title will change from the design view. Click on finish. So we got the report called regulars here. Now go to the design view. Let us change the title. Customers who booked in all 3 years. Booked in all 3 years. And it should be sorted by ascending order of surname. So click on group and sort here. Add a sort. Select surname and ascending with A on top means ascending order. Now you can save this. Go to the layout view. Let us adjust so that everything is visible properly. Let us change the name here. This should be Villa 2017. This should be Villa 2018. And Villa 2019. Save this. So this is the required report. You can save this report. Next, we need to create a report name None 2017 showing the names of any villas not booked in 2017. The report must be in portrait and sorted into ascending order of region. The report title and labels must look like this. So we need to create a report in which it shows all the names except the details of the villas booked in 2017. In order to do that, let us go to create query wizard. We have an option here, find unmatched query wizard. You can see this creates a query that finds records in one table that have no related records in another table. So we will use the villas table and the bookings table of 2017. Give OK. Which table contains the records you want in the query results? It is the villas table. Click next. And which table contains the related records? So we don't want the records from 2017, so select this one. And now we have to check which are the matching fields. It's already there, villa ID to villa ID. Next, now add the fields. We need all this. Next. So they asked you to create with the name None 2017. Click on finish. Now we got all the details of the villas which are not booked in 2017. There are 28 records in this query. So this is the required data. Now let us make the report. It should be portrait and sorted into ascending order of region. The report title and labels must look like this. Let's create the report. Create report wizard. Choose the query None 2017. Add all the fields. Next. It should be portrait. So this is your required report. Let us go to the design view. Give the title villas not booked in 2017. And we need to sort it in ascending order of region. So group and sort, add a sort, select the field region with A on top, so it is ascending. Now come to the layout view to make sure everything is visible clearly. So this is the required report. Save this. This is the end of the database task. Please keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you.